What's going on today, YouTube? Today, I'm going to tell you guys what a Roth IRA is, what you should know about it, and what it's all about. If you're new to my channel, I make daily stock market videos trying to teach you guys stuff I wish I knew when I first started. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel, leave a like on the video, comment below if you have any questions, and share it to someone else that could use it. So a Roth IRA. Roth IRA, the basic of it, is just an account that you can get through like TD Ameritrade, you can get through E-Trade, you can get through most brokers out there. And you can contribute up to $5,500 to it per year, anywhere between 0 and $5,500, but if you have one, you might as well put something in it. Don't just leave it sit there. Why people like it? You pay taxes on the money now, rather than usually when you take it out, you get taxed. When you take money out of an investment, you get taxed. You have to leave it in until you're 59 and a half, and you have to have at least a 5-year minimum amount of time on the account. So if you start now when you're young, you don't have to worry about it too much. 5 years will be easy to get taken care of, and you can't take it out until you're 59 and a half years old. Now, it's tax-free money when you take it out, and in it, you can buy any stock. It's just like a regular account, but there's just stipulations that you have to leave the money in there for so long. So say you want to buy Ford, you can buy Ford. Say you want to buy Boeing, you can buy Boeing aircraft. Say you want to buy like CAT, you can buy CAT. You can buy any singular companies. You can also buy mutual funds in there, as long as your broker allows you to. You can buy mutual funds, you can buy index funds. Vanguard Total Index, Stock Market Index. There's many more just besides this, but you can buy anything. It's just like a regular account. And it's tax-free money when you want to withdraw it if you wait till after you're 59 and a half. Now, since you're not going to touch this money for a long time, you're going to leave it until you're 59 and a half, so make sure you're diversified in it. Buy a couple stocks that you think are going to be good for the long term. If you want to choose your own stocks. If you don't want to choose your own stocks, just go into mutual funds. Just realize mutual funds usually have fees. And the fees can get pretty lengthy. I have videos on that, so you can check them out if you want to learn more about that. You can buy, if you want to be safer and just replicate the market, buy index funds. But if you're leaving the money in for that long, you probably want to take a little more risk than just buying these index funds or mutual funds. You might want to pick your own stocks. Go through their SEC filings. I show you how to do that in other videos on my channel, and just try to find stocks that are going to be worth more when you're ready to retire. I mean, I don't want to make it sound like it's that easy, just find stocks that are going to go up in the future. But you can trade in and out of these stocks even in your Roth IRA as long as you don't take the money out of the account. I don't know if TD Ameritrade has a minimum account balance for a Roth IRA, but I know E-Trade, they have a $0 minimum balance for a Roth IRA. It's $500 minimum balance if you're just opening a regular account with them. And so the real benefit of it here is it's tax-free when you take it out. That's the difference that it is between your regular account and a Roth account. And the reason it's called a Roth IRA, it's actually named after a Delaware senator named William Roth, and that's how it got its name, if you're wondering what that is. It's named after some guy, and it's a way to get tax-free money. So a lot of people like to have this account. They fully maximize it, put in the $5,500 a year, and they also like to have their regular account, which means maxing out their company's 401k or just even do stocks on their own. The way there could be a downfall. If taxes are higher now than they would be in the future, then technically you would have a loss because you would have had to pay less taxes in the future. But throughout history, taxes have only went up. So unless something drastic happens in our economy, taxes are probably still going to be there, and they're probably going to be higher when you're 59 and a half. But that is one potential risk to it. If taxes go down in the future, then you lost out on that tax money that you could have saved on. But no one really knows what the future is going to hold, so it's good to diversify. It's good to have a Roth IRA, and it's good to have your regular account. So that's it for the video, guys. It taught you something about what a Roth IRA is and what you can buy in it. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to learn about more content like this. Comment below if you have any questions, and share it to someone else that could use it. And I will see you guys tomorrow.